Hi everyone, pretty excited for this one. Back with another Tissot PRX video. So first of all, we have to do a wristwatch check, and it could be none other than the green Tissot PRX in 35mm. Let's get straight into the video. I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the last video, which is first of all give you a quick unboxing and first look video with no speech. And then when I've had a chance to wear the watch for a bit of time, I'll come back and give you a full detailed review. And in the middle of that, we might have some YouTube shorts with comparisons with the green version. If you want to see anything specific, let me know.